Good evening, Fort Lauderdale. This is Captain Loogie with your midnight weather report. As you can see, we have suffered a deluge of biblical proportions. I'm currently standing in ankle-deep water. I wish the case were that I was the weatherman who went and found the only mud puddle in town. However, that is not the case tonight. Currently standing in water that's a mixture of the New River behind me and the sewer in front of me. Evening, folks. It's Captain Loogie with your 1 a.m. weather report. As you can see, I'm kayaking any street in Fort Lauderdale right now because they're all underwater. But what the hell, I say, it's Miller time. Cheers, Fort Lauderdale. I really don't think there's a more perfect sign to describe me. Anyways, stay safe, everyone. Check on your friends. A lot of people got flooded. And I'll keep doing me, I guess. Crush it like Quint. Farewell.